Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Oh, my back. Robert B. Baby. Got it home. Jen, what's going on, Jen? Danny, John, good morning, everybody. Here we go. Tesla is back down, guys. After Elon tweeted yesterday that they had not purchased, the car didn't have full self-driving. Autopilot wasn't even enabled, and the stock's still down. Seems like people aren't buying the news. That's better for us, right? And it's 420 and what's it? Let's pull up those really quick. Let's see. Can't forget about good old Doge. What's Bitcoin? I think Bitcoin was flushing back down too. Doge is still at 38, 39 cents. It has not moved. It's at 56. It's kind of stabilizing here in the mid 50s. Alrighty. Today's a DD kind of day. Doge in dispensaries. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it wasn't by the rumor selling news. It went up yesterday after hours, like from 713 to 728, I believe. Yeah, 728.09. I was like, damn, man, I should have held. But you can't see a tweet like that incoming unless you're an insider or you're Elon himself. And it's pulling on back, same levels as yesterday, 710. So, wow, Dogecoin just fell, guys. 37. It's fallen. Not really, actually. 37. Let's see. Let's see Twitter. What are people saying? What's going on, Keith? Good morning. The Doge memes are crazy. So apparently, you know how they were saying that it took like 4 hours to put out the fire? They're saying that was BS. That it took like 2 minutes. I don't know what to believe now. I don't know what to believe. If Dogecoin goes to 69 cents tomorrow, which is today, we don't need any more proof for living in a simulation. Oh, we also have that Apple event today. I don't think we're gonna stream that, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, they said it was like 40, 50,000 gallons of water in 4 hours, and now they're saying that no, they came out saying it was 2 to 3 minutes that they put out the fire. They were using a squirt gun. Oh, it's so much fun on Tesla, man. It's just like you don't know what the heck to believe anymore. I got a Mizuho raises price target on Tesla from to 820 from 775. Okay. And guys, when you guys know how I said yesterday, I was like almost 100% sure Kathy Wood bought Tesla yesterday. I was wrong. She didn't. She keeps buying Coinbase. She did not buy Tesla. I think they felt that it was going to come down even more. I mean, the fact that we closed the market and we didn't hear anything from Tesla or Elon himself until after the market, they were probably waiting on that. They were probably also disappointed and wondering what's going on, you know? Question everything and trust no one, yeah. Tesla bears trying to sell fear to buy the dips. Even that too. You know Tesla bears. They clench them cheeks when they see Tesla rallying to 800. You know they buy the dip. What's going on, Victor? Happy 420. Putting $420 into Doge in honor of Doge Day. Doge has been trending, guys, for like the past couple days on Twitter. Hashtag Doge to $1 is trending. Hashtag Dogecoin 420. Safe Moon is trending as well. It's another crypto. It's like a 0.000002 that is supposedly is really difficult to buy, and I've been really interested in. I'm just so lost with the whole crypto. I'm very new to it, so I don't know how to transfer and do all this stuff. So I'm still learning. Dogecoin Army. Hashtag Dogecoin Army is trending. Hashtag Dogecoins is trending. Literally, Dogecoin is all over Twitter right now. It's at 38. Tesla to 420. Ooh, I load the boat. I load the boat. Bet the farm. All right, Elon replied to this guy named the Whole Mars blog. 100 people died in the United States today in car accidents. This was 14 hours ago. Over 3,600 worldwide. 137,000 people were seriously injured. This happens every day. Where's the outrage? Autopilot FSD, or full stop driving, is an attempt to solve this once and for all. And Elon replied and he put exactly. This has to be fake. There's no such thing as a Hot Wheels Cybertruck. I want this. Is this real? This is sick. What if GameStop closed at 420 today? I would have quit everything. I'd quit the stock market if GameStop closed at 420.69 today. What's going on, Rafael? Good morning. I don't read the news, not even financial news. I only listen to experts, not journalists. Good journalists don't stay employed very long. Want to waste your life away and stay poor? Read the news. That's a tweet from Jason DeBolt, who invested all in Tesla in 2013. So he's a Tesla, as they call him, Tesla millionaire. He tweeted that. He's also deep into Tesla. There's a couple of big Tesla bulls that I follow on Twitter. But of course, like always, I like hearing both sides. Give me both sides to the story. I'm pretty sure there's some sell limits. Limit sells at 420 for GameStop. I mean, the other day we saw one at 69,000, like last Friday, I believe, or 2 Fridays ago. Look at these memes. Look at this video. Hopefully, we don't get copyright.
It's the one and only Beagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Beagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Beagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
What?
Smoke weed every day.
The people who take their time out to do this. I love it. 37. Uh, yeah, GameStop has been finding some support. I agree. It's just been chilling right around the 160s. It's like when we were at the 180s. It was just around the 180s, not really moving. No way, Robert. You found it, Hot Wheels? Cybertruck? Let's see. Oh, it says this item isn't available for shipping. Out of stock. It's 20 bucks. What? This is a real thing. I wonder how much they're reselling for. I know these resellers are all over it probably. Let's see. Cybertruck. I don't want to. Oh, we have 15 minutes. We have 15 minutes before the market opens. So let's see. Cybertruck, Hot Wheels. All right, you can get it on eBay for like 40 bucks. 1 of 10 limited Hot Wheels. 400 bucks. This is a different one though, no? Screw the toy, man. How about the real one? The real Cybertruck. That's what we need. We need a real one. Coming out supposedly next year. Fine, alongside with the other we have the Roadster. What else we got? I don't know yet, honestly, Daniel. It's at 165, we're not really moving. All right, Tesla's pushing up. 714. Trucks and semi too. Yeah, I forgot. The new Austin plant. Patience. Yeah, we got Berlin, baby. We also have Fremont. We have Arizona. We have New York. There's a lot of them. So I'm excited for earnings too for Tesla. Sundial is like what, a dollar? Let's move this really quick. It's like a 110 now. Sundial's at 101. Still at 101. Yesterday we did not barcode. Finally. This one has been really been moving. It's been barcoding a lot, but let's take a look at all these cannabis stocks. Shouldn't have said that word, but let's go. YouTube doesn't like it. Aurora, Tilray, OGI, I think is another one. OGI, Hexo, Kronos. Not really moving. What's another one? A Fubo trend change. Oh, this one dipped to 1741 yesterday. Oh no 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 no! This one I don't think it's I think it's due for a bounce today. I think it's just bouncing. I don't think it's gonna reverse. If you take a look, the trend did change on February 3rd. February, early February is when things really started to hit the fan. Poo poo hit the fan, and it went down. We've been downtrending as you can see here on the daily. What is this blue line? EMA. What have we been seeing there? Rejection. There's no. Once it starts moving above the EMA, then I would consider it a reversal. Even then, yeah, you have to wait for it to close above EMA for quite a while. This is something we're not seeing on Viacom. How are these doing today? Look, no, it's still under EMA, Discovery 2. So be patient on these stonks because these ones are slow movers. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, this one's 15 bucks. 10 bucks shipping from Sterling, Virginia. Good call. Was it the Viacom call? I'm glad I did not rush Viacom and I did not get super excited because boy, I would have been in the hole already. I would have been. I don't know how much I would have been down, but I would have been in the red for sure. It's just my smooth brain said just patience, Ralph. Just hold on. These stocks are gonna come back under. I'm curious to see how Peloton's doing. Yeah, Peloton has been under some heat as well as Tesla. Peloton 107. I know we're waiting to get in on this if it cracks under 100. It depends. Maybe I might play it under 100, but patience, patience. How's AMC? I know we have an alert at 943. It's at 970s, man. I think we might hold 950s and then go above 10 and try to hold 10. So patience on this one. Oh, I think we raised capacity in New York. I think I read about that. There we go. New York Governor Cuomo says movie theater capacity raised to 33 starting April 26, but I think that news might have already been priced in on the stock. I'd be done about 17.5%. Don't ask me how I know that. Um, Club, right? All right, this one's kind of fading off, if I'm not mistaken. 933, we hit 1057 yesterday, looking a little scary here, but if it holds $9, it can still continue to run. Am I trading this one? This one's just based off short squeeze speculation. Yeah, 8 stocks with the highest short percent of float. Clover Health stock rallies continues despite confusion over short interest. It has earnings coming up, so maybe. Can you check out YVR on NFC news? Oh, don't we have the Tom Brady thing today? What's that one stock? The Tom Brady one? I forgot. Um, Yeah, I don't know how comfortable I feel on these NFT plays. This just looks like a pump and dump. It's right under 3, so I don't know. So I'm not buying this. I'm not feeling it. I'm not vibing. The stock is not feeling me. The sundial's about to go to the moon. Yeah, I mean, the last time I touched sundial, I sold when it was on Wall Street, but then I got halted. I sold literally before it got halted, like right before, as it was coming down. So I don't think I'll touch sundial anymore. I'm being honest. I don't think I'll touch it anymore. It's had its run. It's not GameStop. It's not GameStop. It's the other stock you guys brought up yesterday. I think GameStop might push to 180s again. Let's see what happens. Just based off the daily. Dogecoin back to 38, baby. At 1:10 in the morning here, we were up at 41. Wow. Yes, I want Safe Moon. I want Safe Moon. It could be the next Doge, but it's really confusing on how to purchase that. Safe Moon. What do we got? We got 8 minutes before the market opens. Here we go. Let's see. Safe Moon is at 0.00001295. It's up 130%. Literally, just put a couple $100 in this and just forget about it. This is the way I see this. It's very risky, but just put a couple $100. Just sit on it for years. Forget about it. I was thinking the same about the 180 mark. Yeah, 180 has been, we treated it on GameStop at 180 for quite a while. It turned almost to like a psychological number two, right under 200. We did 140 last week, 160 for the past few days, and now it's time for 180. Even just off the technicals on the daily, it looks like it wants to retest at 180. Angelica is not hard. I saw a screenshot. I was trying to ask the chat yesterday, Discord chat, on how to buy it, and it's just very confusing. No more onions, man. No more onions. GameStop, everything changed every time ever since we had that onion. It's never been the same. What is the connection between Doge and 420? It's a good question. First of all, they're saying 420 is the official Doge day, and 420 is not officially like a holiday or a day that's celebrated. I mean, some people do still celebrate it, but it's not like officially. 420, I mean, Doge, it's not a real crypto, I guess people can say. It's a meme. It's not really backed by anything, but I guess that's the connection. I know I've said this before, but $250 on Doggy, 11K right now. Uh, you're up 11,000. Is that what you mean, Steve? I think that's what I meant for even like safe when drop a couple $100, money that you're willing to lose, and just forget about it. They do want 420 to become the vicious Doge Day. It's still at 38. We got 6 minutes before the market opens. Here we go. Azure structures available yesterday on GameStop. Let's check Fentel really quick. Mr. Fake Tell. Yeah, I read it was about Bitmart too, right? Bitmart. Bitmart. Like the Terminator says, get out. We pumping safe moon in here? No pump in here. Nothing. Just because I want to buy something doesn't mean we're all gonna pump it and jump on it. It's impossible. We have 91 apes. There's no way. There's no way. All right, GameStop pulling back 165. Tesla's trying to creep up. We got 3, 4 minutes. Here we go. Let's take a look at Fake Tell. What's guys? If you guys don't know, they have a short squeeze score, but now it's showing not applicable for GameStop. It's just interesting. Yesterday, what was it, like 64 for GameStop? Now it's showing zero again. Available, not applicable for the fee. They're trying to hide this from us. Let's take a look at AMC. AMC was the hot one. Gotta give it to AMC. Very juicy numbers. Again, short squeeze score not applicable for AMC. The fee was ridiculous, like 18. Oh, wow. It's at 21%. If this number's legit, that's nutty. That's nutty. They're getting burned. 21%. 200K. That's a pretty low number compared to other days where we had like what 1.5 milli. So I like that. I like that. Some good news for AMC holders. See, there you go, Victor. I put a 450 bucks into SafeMoon yesterday and woke up to 1300. Nice, man. You gonna what? Lock in some profits, take out your original investment, ride the rest. They found 200K shares on the back of a sofa. GameStop is barcoding on the 1 minute. It's pre-market, very thinly traded. As we know, GameStop has been really lacking on the volume. So Dogecoin at 50 billion makes it bigger than Ford and Kraft. See, something reading that sometimes hurts my brain. It doesn't make sense. Dogecoin, I believe, is number 5 on the market cap for cryptos. 50 billion. For a cryptocurrency created as a joke, Dogecoin has some serious company. Dogecoin is bigger than Ford. Oh, Tesla's shooting pre-market 718. Dogecoin prices have rallied recently, with fans rallying behind the Doge Day hashtag to celebrate April 420 or 420, known in cannabis culture as a day for smoking marijuana. Oh, YouTube's not gonna love this video. YouTube is not gonna love it. All right, we're gonna move this to the side really quick, guys. GameStop's like, what is it doing? It's a weird candle. Bitcoin's at 56,091. Tesla's shooting up. Did we have any breaking news or what? If you guys don't know, Elon Musk fired back yesterday and replied to the Wall Street Journal saying that it wasn't even activated. Autopilot was not activated. Full self-driving was not even purchased on the 2019 Model S that was involved in an accident. They were reporting that it took a couple hours, 4 hours, and 40,000 gallons of water to extinguish the fire. And now this morning they're saying that that's BS and it took 2 to 3 minutes. Like what? Like what? If Dogecoin hits $5, then it'll be bigger than Bitcoin. I don't know what I do, man. Why does the market open in 35 seconds? 35 seconds. All right, here we go. Yeah, Bitcoin is carrying Doge. I agree. Bitcoin's carrying everything. Bitcoin is carrying it. Even the Coinbase IPO hype, I believe, helped out Doge. If I'm being honest, I think it did help it out. How's Coinbase? I think it's still flopping. Still at 33. Look at this range here. We're not moving. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. Get your ears ready. This bell's pretty loud sometimes. All right, there we go. The casino's open, baby. Keep in mind, GameStop had this pretty ugly descending triangle here. I'm very curious to see how Tesla plays out today. Are people buying the news, are eating up that news, eating up Elon's tweet, or we're not believing? MO, I forgot about that. Oh, wow, this one continued to sink. All right, Tesla's bouncing. 719, 720s. Come on. Man. GameStop pulling back. Classic descending triangle breakdown. Looks like this is happening right now. Damn it. What's going on, Willem? Good morning. I'm pretty sure Willem excited for the Apple event today. What's going on, Gonzalo? Yeah, we have to win today. We have to take some dubs, man. How's the Nasdaq? I did not even. I don't know. I know futures were red. Ooh, ooh. Nasdaq is ripping up. Tesla is ripping up 721. Seems like we believe Elon on this tweet. Tesla, yeah, we have the upgrade on Tesla stock from Mizuho. Is upbeat on Tesla deliveries outlook. 1 million. We're going for that 1 million deliveries this year. Come on. 721. Damn you, Tesla. Very bipolar stock. Up after hours yesterday, down pre-market today, and now it's back up. Yeah, we have the Apple event, yeah. 420 event. It's called Spring Unloaded, I think. They're gonna unveil some iPads, the whole shebang. I feel like they reveal too many products way too soon. It's like every year there's already something new coming out. It's like, bro, like chill out. I just upgraded. Look, latest iPad Pro subscription podcast. I saw a tweet that said if they don't release Apple TVs, they're gonna riot. In addition to the mini LED screen, 5G cellular, yeah, 5G, there we go. All right, let's see what Apple stock is doing. It's shooting up today, 135. What is expected from the Apple Spring event today? High-end iPads, other new products, paid subscription options within this podcast. Next gen iPad, iMac, Apple TV, AirTags, I don't know what that is. AirPods 3. I got some new AirPods and they sucked. Don't work out with your AirPods. The sweat's gonna ruin them. Let's drive our Teslas to the moon. I have a feeling it's gonna be a buy rumor stop the news. So Apple might be red today. Let's see how Nasdaq carries it. Nasdaq is pulling on back. GameStop still pulling back. Ugly red candles. Where's that green crayon? We need that momentum upward, baby. We need to hit 180. AMC is skydiving today. Wait till it rips again. It's following GameStop probably. Oh, yeah, it's an ugly open for GameStop and AMC. What do we got? Palantir's also taking a poo poo. Tesla's the real winner here today. It's already up 1%. Why didn't you come down for me, man? Palantir, I believe. This one's actually pushing up, but on the 30-minute, yesterday we hit a new low. So it's kind of bouncing. It's kind of dead cat bounce here. Oh, wow. AMC bounced right off our alert. That's funny. Let's remove this alert really quick. Like I said, GameStop and AMC, they're going to move together. I have a feeling if GameStop does hit 180, 200, it's definitely going to carry AMC with it. But now, no, keep in mind, this wasn't the case 2 weeks ago, right around when I sold. They weren't trading together anymore. That's another thing that kind of worried me. But now that they're together, and if we do get a decent dip, potential re-entry, let's see, let's see. All right, Tesla, what are you going to do? Pull on back. Dogecoin is back at 39. It's back at 39, baby. Yeah, William, Doge still hovered around 39 cents. We left yesterday, the stream, with it being at 39. We opened the market today with it being at 39. Tesla's not coming down, baby. This is going to fly today. 724, wow. No, I'm not going to chase this bad boy. We got a freaking, what is this, W pattern? Damn it, man. Damn it. AMC apparently rerunning cliffhanger. No, AMC and GameStop look like they have another leg down. We're not seeing that aggressive bounce above EMA. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. GameStop says I'm unboxing a new WPF share. We don't have any more free shares on Weibo. That makes me sad, but it is what it is. And if it's not meant to be, if I'm not meant to become CEO, then it's not gonna be. Still haven't activated Windows. Yes and no. I don't know why it doesn't. Yesterday it was gone. Power hour, this was gone. And now it's back. We were having a debate. What do you guys prefer? Windows computers, laptops, or MacBooks, PCs? It's just like we're talking about this, and that's where we came up with this conversation about Windows. I activated it. Robert B actually bought me a Windows tag. He said, update your computer. And I did. Thank you. But it's not working. It's not working. I think because I use some of those cheap You guys try to send me like free codes and it messed up my system and locked me out on my own computer. And I heard if you don't activate Windows within a year, you get locked out. Is that true? Oh my God, Tessa, why are you such a beast, man? Uh, uh, damn you. The FOMO was gone, man. I mean, the FUD is gone, not the FOMO. The FUD is gone. All right, GameStop, this is your chance, man. Don't hit a new low, just bounce. Bounce off EMA. All right, there we go. There we go. Apple is trash. Tesla 726. I'm getting FOMO. Where are my ads? We turned off ads, baby. No more ads for you. You better grab some Tesla right now before she goes to 750. No, that goes against all my rules, man. That goes against my style of trading. Buying here is just the way I see it, it's just too risky. Don't FOMO. Yeah, I'm not gonna FOMO. Buying here, I must be crazy if I buy Tesla here at 726. Never, ever, ever, never. I love seeing a push. Yes, I still get FOMO. I'm human. I'm like, damn, I could have been in Tesla. That's a pretty ugly red candle here on GameStop. I mean, we've seen worse. One of the ugliest red candles I've ever seen was on GameStop. You guys remember that day? I forgot how many points it fell, but it was pretty brutal and aggressive. It was probably one of the worst red candles I've ever seen. This. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. We're at a pretty critical point here on the 4 hour. I mean, if it does come down, I think 150s might be the number. It comes to retest and solidify that support. But as of now, it's bouncing off 161, so we still have a whole trading day compared to see AMC's having the same thing. But what I've noticed is the AMC is like 1 or 2 minutes behind. So if GameStop does push up aggressively and you're quick enough, you might be able to buy AMC and just sell into the pop. That's one thing I'm starting to realize these patterns. Like the last time I was taking a look at GameStop and it shot up aggressively, I took a look at AMC and it took like 2 minutes before it actually shot up. So if you're able to just catch in before that pop on AMC, that's like a 99% win right there for you. If not, just sell out. You lost thousands that day. I don't remember if it's the day it got halted. I don't think it was the day it got halted, but it was pretty aggressive. Dogecoin's at 39.69. All right, notice how GameStop is back down. It might hit a new low. All right, it hit a new low. Take a look at AMC. How long is it going to take for AMC to pull back? All right, there it's pulling back. 946. There we go. It took like what? 20 seconds for it to pull on back and follow GameStop? Around 20 seconds or 15 seconds. I think my timing's off. She's waving at you. Who, Tesla? Tesla's gonna come back down for me, baby. I know. I trust it. I trust it. I know it's gonna come down for me. It's not going to the moon without me, baby. Club is dumping. Yeah, I would not touch that stock at all. This is why it's not. Oh, it's on 8%. And Tesla's not coming down for me. It looks like it wants to rip again. Oh my gosh. 727. Let's see. Let's check Twitter. Any news? All right, we still have that soccer football drama. Just in 14 Premier League clubs reject plans for Super League and call to action to prevent it from proceeding. Is anybody keeping up with that? All the teams, Barca, Real Madrid, Chelsea. People are really talking about Safe Moon. All right, GameStop's bouncing. There we go. There we go. Holding around 161. Tesla 726. How's Apple on this event? It's red. This might be a buy the rumor, sell the news. It's dumping. How's Nasdaq? Dumping too? Slightly red. Amazon. Man, Amazon needs to split. Does anyone else agree? It's at 3,300. Oh my gosh. Tesla 728. The beast has awoken, man. 728. It's going to 730, 729. Where's my pullback? Where's my pullback? There we go. GameStop once again testing EMA. We need that reversal on GameStop. Where's that reversal? Tesla's about to hit 730. She's not coming back down to below 710. I don't think we'll see sub 700 again on Tesla. Man, I had 20 shares at 709. And I'm just very quick to sell. Very quick to sell. So Tesla does have earnings next Monday. And I think it's just gonna be uptrend from there, man. An uptrend from there. But let's see what happens. Any brand name news can strike at any second. Stocks mostly lower to start the day, with markets up a ton and earnings on tap. Just some posturing before the all numbers are out. Tesla rebounding a bit after the media FUD is debunked. All right, 730 on Tesla. There we go. GameStop still seeing some resistance at the EMA line. Not surprised. It's something we've seen very repetitively on GameStop. Yeah, my pull-out game is too strong. It's too quick. Let's see. Dogecoin to $1, still trending all over Twitter. 730, 42. Let's see what Doge is at. Dogecoin, what are you at? 39.89. It's about to go back to 40. We're close to 40. They've let AMC and GameStop trend sometimes. I've seen AMC trend on Twitter. I've seen hashtag save AMC. I've seen GameStop too. I'm on Twitter pretty often too, so I always check up to see what's cracking on there. And as of now, it's Doge all over. We also have the Kobe Bryant news too. Vanessa Bryant and the Kobe Bryant estate elected not to renew their partnership with Nike. How's Nike? I know Nike has had some like controversy lately, even with the whole new sneaker. I don't want to get really into that, but if you know about that sneaker that came out with Nike, I'm kind of disappointed. But let's not get into that right now. GameStop. I'm not surprised, man. This resistance to the EMA is ridiculous. This is something we've seen once, a lot of times, guys. But usually we have a spike at market open before we see that resistance at the EMA. AMC, same thing. New low 933. Tesla still holding above EMA 931. She's going to 750. Don't say that, man. I mean, good for Tesla. I like Tesla. Even though I sold my shares and I could have made money today on it, but it is what it is. I like to see Tesla, one of my favorite stocks, up 2% today. How's the Nasdaq? Pulling back or bouncing? Nasdaq's finally green. We went from red to green. Nasdaq is ripping. SPY is pushing back up 1414. Tesla 733. Is it a good time to buy Boeing? I know there's some airlines that have earnings this week. When does Boeing reports? On 428? So in 8 days. I'm not gonna lie, this looks like it's free falling on the daily. And if you guys took a look at these cases that are rising too, or it's coming back up, guys. Boeing extends retirement age for CEO. 870, blah blah blah. So we're free falling right now too. But you guys know me, I like catching falling knives. So I have my alert at 233. I might buy if it comes down under 233, but I will not hold through earnings. Absolutely not. Wait, we got another rubber bee in the chat. There we go. We got the rubber bees in the house. Rubber bees report. Maybe I'll catch Boeing on the dip. American Airlines down. Delta's down. Let's go back to GameStop. 160s. Bank of America's bleeding. What's Bank of America's ticker? BOA, right? No, BOFA? BAC, I think. There we go. Damn, so many tickers. Uh, oh, Banks taking the hit. They're down to 38 bucks. No, okay, this one, no. This one's gonna fly down. I think banks are gonna take a hit. Uh, all right, their price target got what is this? Bernberg Bank adjust Bank of America price target 235 from 30. Maintains a hold rating. Bank of America buys back 25 billion of common stock. This was 2 days ago. Oh, this is what we speculated a couple videos ago. This is when they were doing the 15 billion bond deal. I said, why did they need back that? Why did they need that much money? And maybe to buy back shares, and look what happens. Buyback. So like they did pan out with that. But technical wise, this is gonna free fall. This does not look healthy at all. Look how long it went up above EMA. It went up for like 2 months. No pullbacks. GameStop volume 500K. I haven't added on AMC just yet. I have no AMC. Let's take a look at other banks. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Set an alert. That's just in case. GameStop new low 159. Looks like we might come out at 150 as a test. AMC doing its own thing, not following along. That's not GameStop. How's Tesla? 729. I am not buying at 729. Absolutely not. Um, Price target for AMC to buy in, Ralph. If it hits 9 again, I'll probably add. I think 9 is. I mean, first and foremost, I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm gonna wait till after May 4th. May 4th. But it hit 842 last time. I'll probably add it within the sevens if it does hit 7. If it doesn't, no well. GameStop is bouncing at 159. Tesla's still holding above EMA at 728. Very impressive strength on Tesla. Dip sales on Clav. I don't think I'll touch Clav, man. I'm gonna be honest. How's Viacom doing today? Red? Barely green. Disca. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. My predictions have been really right on Disca and Viacom so far. Let's see, hopefully we play right. I knew just based off of technicals, Discovery has more room to fall as of now than Viacom. This is a free falling off a cliff at 3460s. Tesla, I could see you pushing up 734. That is nuts, man. You got rid of both of them before the drop. You hopped in too early, huh? How, John? Maybe a little too early. GameStop is to Gary what Tesla is to Ralph. I won't buy till desired strike price. Yeah, just be patient and just wait. If you have a plan, man, stick to it. That's the whole thing about trading. Like you have to have a plan. The hardest part is sticking to it. That's the hardest part. Like if you say you're gonna take an L at this price, that's probably one of the hardest things. Selling and taking a loss. Because you're always gonna think, man, what if this stock comes back? What if it does this? What if it shoots up and I miss out? You can't care about that. Just like we're seeing right now in Tesla. We sold out on this one, took some profits, and now it's running without me. Left some money on the table. It is what it is. Jennifer says, how much more do I think Discovery will fall? Just based off of technicals. Let's see what we got. It's still free falling. But if it does crack 3460s, I'd say it could come down to 3246. SMA on the daily. That's a pretty decent level to find some support at 3246. We have earnings on May 5th. Guys, that week of May that first week of May is going to be nuts. Nuts. A lot of things going on. GameStop just hit a brand new low, 159. AMC is following along. What stock was I gonna look at? What stock was I gonna look at? Apple. Oh my gosh, Apple's bouncing back, of course, with Nasdaq bouncing and ripping. Some tech's gonna follow. Facebook also recovering. What do we got news on Facebook? Facebook's always been that one stock that I've always just had mixed feelings for. I've always paid attention to it. As you can see, I have alerts. I have previous trend lines here drawn out on the chart, but I've never really it's never really caught my attention. I don't know what it is. I think it's just Zuckerberg. I think of Facebook, I just think of Zuckerberg, and it kind of makes me creep out a little bit. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. I'm kind of weird. Tesla just pushed up 735. What a freaking tank. What a beast. These are the days you just love to be on Tesla. I'm telling you, my day's coming for Tesla. My day's coming when I'm gonna hit a home run. But of course, you never want to hit a home run. You always want to go for the small hits because one day you'll just hit a home run, man. Yeah, this Tesla's just running off the screen, man. There's no room. There's no more room on this chart. Will you activate Windows? I'm telling you guys, I activated the Windows. I did yesterday. Go check out Power Hour stream from yesterday, and it's not there. And I mentioned it. I said, guys, look, it's gone. It's not on the screen right now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna come back, and it's back. All right, GameStop 158. It looks like we want 150s again to test that support. What do I feel about Rolls-Royce or Academy Sports? I heard about Academy Sports. Rolls-Royce. We got the OTC stock on Rolls-Royce. One of the reasons I shied away from this stock is obviously ugliest pattern, ugliest chart you can ever trade in your life. The walls on these are nuts. Look at the bid and the ask. That's weird. Look at 210,000 on the bid to 197,000 on the ask. OTC stocks, man, but super bearish on the daily. It's about if it cracks under 130, who knows? It could hit $1. But as for the stock itself, let's see what happens. They took a $5.6 billion loss in 2020. I don't think people are out there right now buying Rolls Royces left and right. I like the car. Do I like the stock? No, I'm gonna pass. ASO Sports Academy. This one was brought up as well. This one, I believe ASO had an amazing uptrend on the daily. Yeah, we've planned this one out before. Pretty solid daily uptrend. I forgot what the stock did though. See, as for a stock like this, if you're going in for long term, if you're looking at the balance sheet, the income statement, whatnot, and you're going for a long term, you believe in the company, by all means go for it. But I don't have that drive to look into it. It's just my guy's just like, no, don't trade this. That's just the way I see it. And that doesn't mean that you shouldn't trade in. Just because I don't want to buy something, I'm not interested in it. I don't like the 1 minute, the daily, whatever the chart may be, technical fundamentals. Doesn't mean you shouldn't trade it. If you believe in the stock, if you have your plan, your analysis, go for it, man. But I'm not leaning towards this one. A BMW bought Rolls Royce. Did you know every time you're gonna buy a Rolls Royce, you have to go through BMW Financial? So you have to go through them. BMW. He exercises calls. He exercises calls and double down, baby. He has 200,000 shares of GameStop. Oh, my back. Roadster stock has nothing to do with cars. Yeah, they do like jet engines too. They do a lot of things. How's Ferrari too? I think Ferrari has the best ticker. It's called Race. Ferrari. They're also going to come out with their EV, I think, in 2025. There we go. Ferrari chairman says to unveil first all-electric vehicle, well, first Ferrari in 2025. But Ferrari, believe it or not, is very picky on who they sell a car to. Just because you get approved and whatnot, they might not even sell it to you. So it's very hard to get a Ferrari. It's not like Lambo. You can have the cash and the money, baby, but they won't sell it to you. They're very picky. Buy rating 287. GameStop 157. How's AMC following? 930s. All right, Tesla looking a bit toppy here. Let's see if it holds around 730. Clav is falling still. Yep, Nilo 876. One that I would possibly avoid. What's going on, Vince? Welcome back, baby. Yeah, last time, Roaring Kitty, Keith Gill doubled down, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, or not doubled down, but he added. I don't even remember. It was around $40 when GameStop had dipped, and it shot up right away. He became a legend again. He did it again, but that was the case, and I think that's what people were expecting here as well for GameStop to shoot up as well. We did see some momentum yesterday, but as of now, we're down 3%. A couple days, Star Clouds. Dark pools on Doge. Coin is down a bit. Yeah, I have mixed feelings for Coinbase too. After it clapped me, kind of like, you know, I don't know if I want to touch this again. Let this one unfold on some support levels, some resistance levels, but as how it's looking right now, it's not looking the strongest, but there's still some confidence in Ark and Kathy Wood. They keep on buying Coinbase. They did not add on Tesla yesterday. I think they expected some more room for downside after the fact that Elon or Tesla did not say anything in regards to the accident that happened on Saturday. But they did not buy Tesla. They did not buy. She's giving you a second chance. Well, I'm gonna have to pass, man. GameStop, please don't let me down. Climb back up. Jose, I think it's just testing around the 150s again. It's trying to test some support levels. This is insane, guys. Subaru recalls 875,000 vehicles over engine and suspension issues. My ex, my ex's brother has a Subaru, and she told me yesterday that his engine blew up. He drives a Subaru. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to send her this. Let me save this. How do I save this? Let me put this in the Discord chat. Wow. Interesting stuff. World Bank sees global commodity prices remaining firm around current levels in 2020 after Q1 recovery. Speaking of that, what's oil at, guys? You guys have to we have to keep a watch an eye on oil. What is it like 63, $62? What's going on, Thomas? Good morning, baby. How's Doge? Yeah, let me take a look. It's back at 38. It's been there for a while. BMW owns the Rolls-Royce cart side of the business. Yeah, that's true. Like I said, if you're gonna buy a Rolls-Royce, you're gonna go straight through BMW Financial. What's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 56.4. Literally the exact same pattern on GameStop and AMC. Unless you pay cash with Dogecoin. Imagine that. How many Dogecoin you'd have to buy like a Rolls Royce or something. Benito, he says he doesn't believe in crypto. I respect that. I respect that. I like hearing both sides. Yeah, of course. United Airlines shares slip as business and international travel remain depressed. Quite the word. Conference calls coming, baby. Wow. It's still a little too high on the daily. Quite the dead cat though. Boeing new low. Tesla, here comes round two. Thoughts on Neo? Is Tesla carrying Neo today? Yes, indeed it is. 37.82. So from what it looks like, guys, I think Neo found some support right around $34. Earnings is right around the corner. Later this month. 9 days actually. 3 days after Tesla's. So let's see. Oh yeah, the VIX. Is the VIX dropping? Let's take a look at the Nasdaq first, really quick. Oh, it's we're back red. VIX is at 18. It was at 1877 from the lows of was 15 that one Friday. These people have these ridiculous call options on VIX for the summer. People are expecting a crash. AMC not making it to S2. Dang, they don't actually want to sell these shares, do they? Who knows, man? Who knows what? It's just like, there's just so much speculation out there. The BOD can override the CEO. And even just like the fact that he said we won't dilute one share. What if they dilute 499,909,909? Like, did you ever think about that? That's what I thought too. I'm like, wait a minute. There's just so many things out there. It's just like I'm tired of all of it, you know? It's just like I'm gonna stick to my plan. Whatever happens, happens, and we'll play off of that. So ugly red candle on Tesla was looking a bit toppy. It says no round two just yet. How are we on the 5 minute? Overbought? Slightly, yes. EMA's at 724 on the 5. So let this come down. What's going on, Gold Tendy? Good morning. Kyle, what's going on? GameStop is so stale. What's the volume on GameStop? Keep building. AMC. Always wanted to own a cinema. And like I'm still gonna go to AMC's. I love AMC's. I don't think I'll ever, like I said, I don't think I'll ever go to any other movie theater than an AMC. AMC's turning. Yeah, AMC and GameStop seem to be finally finding some support, and here we go. Let them bounce off these support levels. AMC will dilute almost all they donate. The one share to Wall Street Bets as a thank you. Yeah, see, they didn't even. That's the kind of thing that left the sour. Taste in my mouth. Adam Aaron never gave us credit. He never said thank you, Reddit. 1.1 million volume. That's not a lot. And the fact that we're dropping that much on that volume leaves me thinking. And AMC's playing some bunk movies right now. They're playing some not so interesting movies. I mean, I think on Friday we have the new movie. What's it called? Mortal Kombat. Definitely going to that. 100%. And it's gonna be at AMC. Yes. Yeah, I agree, Garden. No, I don't know. It's not that volume and 3% drop doesn't seem right. Let's take a look at what CNBC is saying. Let's see where their heads are at. It's at zero, Steve. That's where I'm kind of confused. Apple, baby.
Event is set to start at 1 p.m. Eastern today. What can we expect and how will it impact investors? Well, let's ask Bernstein Senior Research Analyst Tony Sacconaghi, who joins us now. Hi, Tony.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Largely expected that we're going to see a new lineup and hear more about iPads, potentially some other types of devices as well. What are you looking for?
Yeah, I think consensus is that we will see certainly a new iPad Pro and potentially a refreshed iPad lineup. There's also speculation about whether there'll be a new pencil associated with that. The Wall Street Journal is reporting today that Apple could push forward with a different revenue model for podcasts. And there's been this long rumored AirTags product, which is also speculated could happen. I'd say most definitively, we're counting on new iPads with faster processors in them.
Do you expect Apple stock to react today?
No.
You know, generally to these spring announcements, the stock doesn't react that much. It's in part because, you know, the iPad, while a very large business on an absolute basis, is still less than 10% of Apple's overall revenues and less than 5% of its profits. And so given that we expect these to be largely refreshes on not a very big part of the business, we don't expect it to have a material impact on the stock.
Yeah, and certainly ahead of this announcement, we're seeing it trade basically flat right now. I am curious why you think Apple stock has underperformed year to date in general, though.
Yeah, I mean, look, last year was a tremendous year for Apple. The stock was up, 70+%. It was a significant outperformer. And so I think entering this year, the stock has been trading at about a 5 to 7 year high on valuation, both in absolute and in relative terms. And we have an iPhone cycle. And so when investors are looking forward, which is typically what investors do for any stock, they're looking at a high valuation relative to history. And looking into next year, they're coming off a pretty strong iPhone cycle this year and very strong iPad and Mac sales because of the pandemic. And so, there is some nervousness that Apple's growth rate will materially decelerate next year, and in fact, could potentially even be negative next year. And so the question is, at a relatively high historical valuation after a great run in 2021, what's sort of the catalyst to push Apple higher going forward? And I think that's what's caused the underperformance. I think more broadly, we've generally seen high quality stocks not fare as well as recovery or value oriented stocks this year. And Apple certainly falls in that high quality category.
Hey, Tony, you mentioned the pandemic and what that has done to sales of at least computers. There have been some on the street who are actually lifting their PC forecast as IT budgets get rejiggered as companies figure out how they're going to have more employees ostensibly work remote. Does that make sense to you that we could actually continue to see momentum behind hardware as IT gets rediscovered?
Certainly in the near term, we can, but we've gone from selling, as the PC industry has gone from selling about 260, 270 million units 3 years ago to potentially 360 million units this year. So tremendous growth in the last 3 years in PCs. And a lot of that this year and last year was due to the pandemic. And I think that was for students, for people working at home. So I think we've had a unusually strong one-time surge in PCs that will likely persist for at least a couple of more quarters. But I think next year we could have a pause and we could have a retreat in the PC market. We're forecasting PCs to be down next year and then potentially normalizing to low single-digit growth after that. So we have had tremendous sales from the pandemic. In essence, we've almost bought ahead. I think there'll be a digestion period next year, which will likely lead to negative PC growth in 2022.
Tony, we're looking at shares of IBM next to you, obviously having reported, and
Nope. Let's see. I don't know about the AMC news, but as of now, Tesla's back up 734. GameStop, we're not seeing that push hold, but of course, higher lows. That's always the key after we pull back. Apple pulling on back as well. They even said it's not going to be so much of a catalyst too. And like we expected, it was just probably just by the rumors, sell the news, baby. I mean, what's with these iPads? Let's see. And what even is an Apple Pencil? An Apple Pencil. That's also a possibility, Gifted Comedy. I don't know if there's any AMC news. Let's see. Why did you sell AMC when all this news is popping off from it? I mean, we're not. We have all these news, but look what the stock is doing. The stock is down 4%, man. That dilution, I still have doubts on my under dilution. Let's wait till all that is over, and then I'll make my decision. Useful for art designers. Oh, that makes sense. All I see is red. How's that me hating on AMC? How is my thesis just having hate on it? Just because I don't agree with everybody? I'm a hater? I'm a shill? I sold out to the hedgies? Guys, MO is still bleeding. Look at this dad cat down from 52 all the way down to 45. This is nuts. Oh my gosh, I want to catch this. Can we make all the bars red? I can do that. Let's see. Like we made them all green. Let's see. Imagine if stocks were like this. Oh, I got it wrong. Let's see. Hold on. Take off the fill. Where's it at? If stocks were like this, like, oh, it's bleeding. There's no bounce. It's just all red. Or just have it all green. This is what I love, Thinkorswim. You could do a lot of things. You could change the color just to have that psychological change. So you won't get emotional. Let's see. Fill up. There we go. I'm gonna go to the restroom really quick. I do not trust Adam Aaron. I liked him at first, and then he just started hinting, man, 500 mil dilution. I was like, I'll give him another shot. Another CNBC interview. He comes on. Dilution. All right, Fox, he came up again. I was like, man, he's really for it. He really wants it. And I started looking at both sides, and it's just like I can't hide that, you know. So I'll be back. So chair pump. I'll leave you guys with Mr. Jamer. He's chilling right here, still watching his trade. I'll leave you guys with Tesla and GameStop. Hopefully, when I come back, GameStop is at 200. We're back. We'll go live for 10 more minutes, and we'll be back. Power hour. What's Dogecoin at? 30. Let me refresh this. 38. What's going on, Kevin? I see you back in here. Good morning. Uh, that's shot up again. 737. Let's see. Let's see. Let me read the chat. Let me catch up really quick. It'll be funny if Jamie rolls off. Don't get why they would need to step up the ability to dilute now if they say they want to do it to a 2022. That doesn't make sense. These things are not making sense. It's like, oh, now you can hold off to 2022. Yeah. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, C3. Seems like some people are waking up right now. Sorry to be late. That's exactly what happened yesterday too. We're seeing that Tesla sell-off continue as we speculated that people were just waking up, reading the news, and just dumping. But we're pushing up right now, 737. Pulling back. GameStop too, 159s. It looks like it found some support. If you're holding AMC, watch GameStop because I best bet they're gonna trade together today. Whatever GameStop does, AMC's gonna follow. That's why I'm waiting for after May 4th. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. There's no rush. That day is gonna be here before we know it. We'll wake up. It's May 4th, which falls on a what? Monday? Tuesday. I'll wake up. It's Tuesday, and here we go. Bring on the news, baby. Dogecoin 37. By 414. Hmm. I don't know where Tesla's gonna hold from here. I definitely don't. I don't want to buy it right now. Do not want to buy it right now. Daniel, I think they just want to take advantage of these prices, these high prices. You guys see this? All right, looks like we might bounce here on GameStop. It's setting up to bounce. It's setting up for a breakup above here 160s, which happens to still be the 5-minute EMA. So give it some time. Market just opened an hour ago. So we have a whole trading day. What's going on? Goes 10D. They didn't do their homework. I don't know what they expected our reaction to be. Let's see. Let's have this Dogecoin trend in here. We'll just probably end it with GameStop and Tesla and Doji. This is at 37.90. See Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 56.1. There are 14 out of 42 Tesla analysts with the price target now above 800. 14 out of 42. The average price target is now 645. Huge candle on coin. Let's see it. Let's see it. The rating distribution is now 18 buys, 12 holds, and 12 sells. 18, 12, 12. What's going on with Coinbase? Coinbase Global, we work partnership with cryptocurrency payments. Yeah, there was a surge in volume on here, but I don't know why. If you can hold one stock, only one, you would want to make a Tesla, maybe Google. It'd probably be Tesla, yeah. If I could hold one stock, it'd probably be Tesla. GameStop slightly failing on us here, guys. 158.50. The volume is still pretty low. I think we're gonna end it here. I'm gonna be in the Discord, guys. I'm gonna be on in the Discord. We'll leave with GameStop dangling here, 159, trying to find some support, and hopefully when we come back, it's broken above the 160. This is where we're hoping for the breakout. Let's see where it's stabilized. Pretty slow, ticking very slowly. So give it some time. Tesla hanging in here at 2.72%, around 734. A little too high for me to buy, of course, but let's wait and see if we do get a dip. Dogecoin is at 37, 38, 39 cents. It's been fighting that resistance, finding some support there. So let's wait and see if we see the momentum. Keep in mind 24/7 on crypto trading. So we have does it close? We don't close. Dogecoin will be replacing the main world currency in 1 year, replacing the dollar. If that happens, I quit. How's Viacom? Pulling back? Recovering slightly. Barely green today. Went from green to red to green. But of course, like always, let's set our alerts. Be patient. Just wait for opportunity. AMC's up now. Not really. With that being said, like William always says, baby, love, peace, and monkey